Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are out of town skiing again, and I have a lot of video ideas saved up for when I am not at home. When I started Twitch streaming and YouTube live streaming, playing Path of Exile, the community has been awesome, super helpful. One of them, Omen, taught me how to do a lot of the crafting. He gave me resources within the game to help make all the equipment I needed. He's curious if any of my subscribers would be interested in being one of his testers. He is developing a new app. It's similar to Tinder, but it's not a dating app. It's for movies and shows, so you swipe which ones you don't like, and it will make recommendations from his AI for potential shows that you may or may not like. Let's get the laptop out and do some screen captures. Okay, so this is his website. The discover part seems like where we would do the swiping stuff, but he told me to go to my library to add a few so the AI knows what I like and it will start making recommendations. We're gonna click around a little bit. The trending just looks like what's popular right now. My crew, this looks like if you have a friend group, you can see what they're interested in. Party mode. Maybe like an in-person thing. I could see this being helpful personally because sometimes at night the wife and I, we are trying to decide on what to watch. So this might actually be pretty helpful for us. Let's add Interstellar. This is one of my favorite movies and it's the first one that I thought of. It's watched, rating optional. We're going, it's a masterpiece. One of my favorites. Add. We're currently watching Yellowstone, and we found Yellowstone through a show called Landman. This is something I just thought of right now that I wanted to add. I figured I'd pick a movie and I'd pick a show. Excellent, very entertaining. Add. We're gonna go with a weird one like Fearin. I don't even know how to spell Fearin. Fearin is an anime that I guess that's how you spell it. It's an anime that I wouldn't say it's like my favorite anime, but it's a little vague. It's not a popular anime. And I wanna see. Oh, he does. He has it. I think I recommend this to people that are getting into anime and they're not sure what to watch. I think it's an excellent anime. But I grew up watching Dragon Ball Z, Naruto. One Piece is one of my favorite mangas. Good intro anime for beginners. Okay, so it looks like there are a lot of options in here. I don't want to say everything is in here, but he seems to have linked most, or he's pulling data from different sources is my guess. Matrix is obviously one of my favorite movies. We'll go discover and see if this pulls anything up. I definitely want to mess with this a little bit more. We're gonna see if we could have some sort of queue going, generating here. I think it's just taking a minute. Hopefully it works. But I'm talking to ZA Omen on Discord right now. Okay, it's loading details. That's nice. Oh, Inception. Good choice. Good choice, AI. It's one of our favorite movies. We're gonna go 10. Expanse. I don't know what this is. We'll go plan to watch. Breaking Bad. I hear that's very good. We'll plan to watch. Max Mad Fury Road. Not really interested. Your Name. I think the wife did have me watch this recently. No, I think this is something different, but we're gonna go plan to watch. The Crown, I am not sure what this is. We'll go skip. The plan is to, oh man, I didn't really like Gravity. Too much floating. Squid Games. Squid Games is a good one. So this seems like something I will actually use. I'm going to play around with it. I'm going to stop this screen capture and we will see you guys in a little bit. I've been playing around with the app a little bit more and really like it. The recommendation seems to be on point. It's kind of fun to use. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to promote something that might be helpful for others. There's a sign up. I'll include the link in the description. We are also fostering a puppy, so if anyone is in Southern California and is actually interested in adopting a 1-year-old, Haley's pretty chill and awesome. If you guys are serious, we'll figure something out. But for now, video 361 done.